Start out with the face frame down and apply a bead of glue into the dovetail groove. Slide the left and right cabinet walls into the vertical grooves. Don't forget to wipe any excess glue. Now slide the top and the bottom of the cabinet into place using the groove on the side of the cabinets. Flip the cabinet upright and slide the back wall into place using the grooves on the cabinet walls. Turn the cabinet onto its front and use pre-existing holes to secure the back of the cabinet to the top and bottom lips. Now place a corner bracket into each corner of the top and bottom to firmly secure the cabinet together. Each bracket will be fastened down using 3 screws.